What's going on, everyone? This video is just gonna be me and my mom just kind of running around in the G8. She's never ridden in it with the supercharger. At the beginning of the video, I just kind of easing into it because there's a truck in front of me, and then coming up, you'll start to see that the car wasn't having issues. It was just having this TC problem where the traction control comes on, starts to pull timing, and it starts doing some weird stuff. So you'll see that coming up. But yeah, I eventually realized what was happening and kind of just figured I'd make the experience fun for my mom and started making dumb faces and whatnot. But you'll see that. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching and just have fun and see my mom's face. Thanks. Bye.
Fix our backyard up really nice this year, and I thought maybe put a little swing back there for Addie. You guys can hang out back there too, you know. Get her a nice life jacket.
I need this guy to move.
Huh?
I need this guy to get the fuck out of the way.
What about that garage?
Not that bad.
I can tell.
It's not bad. You know, look, I'm full throttle.
This is... Why do you like that?
First of all, that was slow.
It's scary.
That was slow. All right?
It feels like the car's gonna fall apart or something.
It is.
Well, stop it.
That bad.
Tevin, that's terrible.
What's terrible?
It's scary.
What's scary about it?
Going that fast.
That was only like 110.
That is fast.
No, it's not. That's nice and slow. We're in Mexico. Keep in
We're not
mind.
in Mexico.
For video purposes, we're in Mexico.
Oh.
Oh. Oh yeah. Go straight, my boy. Thank you.
So Addie's not sick now, huh?
Kinda.
Kinda? Tevin, I need to be careful.
I am. Slow.
No, it's not.
See?
How much was that? Like 10 gallons of fuel?
Probably it runs on corn, so it don't matter to me.
Yeah.
Look, you don't even realize that it makes 724 horse.
How fast was that?
Like 70.
This is the road where I got Addie's playpen at.
No, that was 130, by the way.
It was?
Yeah.
I'm scared you're gonna get hurt someday. You hear me? I don't want you to get hurt.
I definitely heard you.
You're my only one. I don't have no spares.
We're just blowing the tires off that entire time.
How fast was that one?
110.
Are you gonna take this to Cordova?
Yeah.
When?
Probably here soon. It's actually about to be a lot faster.
Don't you have to wear like a helmet and stuff when you do that?
This car's probably so fast I'll put cage in it. Pretty hot?
No. Are you gonna wear a good helmet, right?
Yeah. It's gotta be like SFI approved or something.
What about a fire suit? Do you wear that?
You can. It depends on how fast you go.
I'm glad
I think
you
I'll have
wear
to.
that.
Honestly, I think I'll have to put a cage in here though.
I hope you do. Any safety precautions?
I'll make it just as fast. You just give me some money, it'd be just as good. Matter of fact, I'll give you the supercharger off here, and I'll have a turbo, and you can just pull up next to the fucking kids and just hammer down.
Wouldn't it?
Hammer it down.
That'd be hilarious.
Hey, it'd be perfect.